Amy and have our fellow taste it.
So far. We're using curry. Oh no! Ah!
You failed.
And then the rest, we're gonna be using cream cheese. Not open.
It's like a Pokemon card.
Just drop that bad boy in there.
And then get the middle part out.
Technical difficulties.
Big enough.
Vanilla. Looks like poop.
You want to just basque it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Quite an adventure. Look at that. With real vanilla beans and everything.
There. There we go. What? Oh, yeah. Do you want me to help now? I have one hand.
Yeah. This is a two-person job because one person is too weak.
No, it's heavy. I get it.
Oh yeah. It looks like it will be very yummy.
Just gonna mix. Did that and the smack smack, so it's evens out.
Smack, smack.
Not that way, but yes. Oh, look at those beans.
Just don't burn your hands.
The parchment touching the top. Let me fix it.
We're trying to move this so then the paper doesn't burn, but it's really hot. A lot better. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're making a vegetable soup. So we have broccoli, cauliflower. Oh, it's blurry. Spinach. Some zucchinis. Oh my. Zucchinis. Then parsley and peas. So, homegirl is too weak, so we're gonna ask for some help. Please help.
What if I'm too weak? The way I like it is I like to pull this one first. Then
Yay! Wow.
okay.
Look at you. Okay, and now we're just gonna dump this onto this cookie tray. Open this without any help.
She's a strong, independent woman.
Got it. Getting stronger by the second. Anyways, gotta wash this. Dump these. Colorful. One zucchini. You gotta cut it up. I'm gonna do it this
When
way.
we use this, we should also put parchment on it because it's starting to rust inside.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
Close the door, bro.
And then you want to cut it up into little cubes.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, all done. And now you want to grab them and put them on the tray. Next up, we have 2 potatoes. You're gonna want to rinse them and then cut them. Yeah. Okay.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's poofy. Oh yeah, it's about to crack. Like a butt crack.
Okay.
If you guys were wondering where the fuck was me, I was drying the dishes.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares where you
Nobody
were.
asked.
Jen. Stop.
Dude, that was scary. Bro. Did you guys see that? It slipped. Shh. No one saw. No one saw. It's okay. Oh, yeah.
Meow.
This is a dangerous
I like to live dangerously sometimes. And then you want to cut it up into cubes.
Yeah, that's not a cube. Look at that. That looks like a rectangle. Shh. Is this a cube, guys? Just kidding. This is fine.
You know
Just making
what?
Fun of her.
It's delicious either way.
You don't want to know.
That's true. I've never made this before. I'm gonna move this.
Shoo-do-do-do-do-do-do. Shoo-do-do-do-do-do-do. Someone is sassy. And then flickle down. Goodbye.
Yeah, I know they're pretty uneven, but
Nobody asked.
the final spread.
Roast for
But
30
we're not
minutes.
done. So, what? Where's the spoon?
On top of the sugar. Blame Raphael.
Raphael, la.
Can you get that one? Are we? Or are we the Delulu?
I don't know how much salt.
Who closed this?
Help. Okay. Good for you.
Now toss. No, you toss it with your hand. Oh.
Apparently this is called tossing. Didn't know that.
Slowly getting there. We change the setting from bake to boil for 1 minute.
Wow. Oh, a breeze of hot air.
Oh, chugga, chugga. Smells
What are you
like
doing?
chicken noodle soup.
1, 2. I think this whole thing is 3.
Soup. So, gonna let it simmer. So that's finished.
Trader Joe's. I think this is 1.
Look who it is. Oh look! There's Mr. Boji.
Hopefully you can cut out my crust.
Hello. Hello. How's your day, Mr. Boji? No comment? Okay. Give me a pop. Heading into the kitchen. So what are you doing? I'm poking.
Mm.
And then you put the spinach in. Wow, this is a lot.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you blend. Good luck. Toss it in. Blend it up. They think they're getting something. Butter is dancing because for fun. But anyways, we got some bread from Trader Joe's.
How dare you?
Gotta open this up. Gotta get a knife and spread this evenly. Look at that. Now, we're gonna put it in the oven. Garlic bread. Oh yeah.
The bread has been transported to this cutting board.
Yeah. Yummy.
Ta-da!
Oh yeah. Big bite.
You look terrible. Oh, wow. That looks so good. Okay.
Getting I'm scared.
Split it like a burrito.
It's so heavy. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, just like
Oh,
Yeah, try
wow. Wow.
Take a bite.
Oh, he failed.